there's only one of you. And so being able to put that together with the understanding of the industry and the network, your boundaries are endless. You can pretty much do anything you want. My name is Chavez Booth. I go by MCB, affectionately known. I graduated with a master's in strategic public relations in 2012. I am the founder and head of culture at POV Agency out of Los Angeles. So POV Agency, we're a multi-diverse PR and marketing agency. We focus on two avenues, corporate and culture, and anything within the PR and marketing spheres. My partner and I, we were often the only people in the room that looked the way that we did, that thought the way that we did, that had the background and personal experiences that we did. And oftentimes that was really challenging because it felt like whomever was working with us was very reliant on our perspective, and sometimes those perspectives were overlooked. So it was kind of this dichotomy that was really frustrating. And so with our agency, we've tried to kind of create this and foster this environment that helps aspiring and rising professionals kind of cut through that. And I think that seeing me in the media is reflective of that and mirrors that. Seeing me in the media program is all about connecting BIPOC aspirants with mentors that can help give them a leg up. Maybe these are folks that have chartered the path before them, and so helping kind of cut some of the difficult challenges and experiences that might come along. I wish I had this kind of program when I was coming up the ranks. So as executive in residence, hoping to just kind of provide my insight and background and experience and deliver some of those words of wisdom when necessary. When I come into the conversations around mentorship, it's much less about helping them understand the mechanics of the industry, but more so recognizing that everything that they have in their back pocket is a resource to them as professionals. And there are certainly ways to connect the dots between what they love and what they live and how they can operate as professionals. I'm hopeful that in coming through this program, students step out kind of understanding more about their personal brand and leaning into that as a resource, and the individual nature of it and the uniqueness of it is very important and super invaluable. I also want students to recognize that it's okay to shake off the FOMO and the comparative narrative, but really looking internally and again, figuring out what's most important to you and what you want for yourself, as opposed to trying to keep up with the status quo, I think is more critical than ever.